Hello children, welcome in the second video of the value of food. In previous video, you have learned about the various sources of various foodstuff and the hard work of the people in obtaining these things. So today we are going to see the story of Bhakri. In this video, you are going to learn the different steps of agriculture which are carried out for growing the crop. So preparation of soil, sowing, adding manures, irrigation, weeding, harvesting, threshing and storage. So preparation of soil. What do you mean by preparation of soil? Yeah, this has been done in the month of May. The farmer prepared the soil by plowing it. Plowing means making soil upside down. Then they crushed the lumps of soil. And finally, when the land was level, the field was level, it is ready for sowing. So when the pre-monsoon shower comes, the hot soil becomes humid. The farmers sow the seeds, and when they sow the seeds, the seed sprouts and the seedlings are seen above the ground. And with that, at the time, what the farmers do to grow for the healthy crop? They add manures and fertilizers. Manures that are obtained from the cow dung or dead and decaying plants. These are natural fertilizers, and they use chemical fertilizers also like urea and ammonium sulfate made in factories. So it depends on farmer what they have to use. So they add fertilizer to the soil so that the plants grow well. Then irrigation means giving water to the plants, watering the crops. Then in between the crop, some unwanted plants grow. That is called as weeding. So farmer has to remove this. Otherwise, their crop will be destroyed, because if the weeds are not removed, they take the moisture and nutrients from the soil and decrease the harvest efficiency. So they have to remove. Then once the crops grow fuller, then it is the time of cutting the crop. Cutting the crop means harvesting. And then threshing, that is removing grains from that, and then storing. So all these things we are going to see step by step in our lesson how it comes. So the story of Bhakri. In previous video only you come to know how Arjun's and Varsha's mother is giving them the value of food, and then she started saying how the bhakri comes in their plate. So in this manner the story of Bhakri. You know, Dada, my father is a farmer, and you know that schools have summer vacation. When I was small, we often went to my father's field riding on his tractor. That would be the time for reading the fields. Father would have attached different implements to the tractor to carry out various farming tasks. First, he would plow the fields and then crush the lumps of soil. Finally, he would level the field to make it ready for sowing. See, as you can see, with the help of tractor, the farm work has been done. So Your Dada is Varsha's and Arjun's grandfather. So what mother is saying, when she was small, in summer vacation she used to go to his father's field and she ride on his tractor. So that time she has seen how his father doing the agriculture, taking out the agriculture work. So what he was doing first, he was attaching different implements to the tractor to carry out different farming tasks. What are these various farming tasks? They are plowing the fields, crushing the lumps of soil, leveling the field to make it ready for sowing. So these are the various farming tasks which has been carried out before the monsoon start. The pre-monsoon showers would make the hot soil humid. That was the time father would sow bajra. As you have seen, in summer the soil becomes very hard and it is rough. So when the pre-monsoon shower means when the rain comes, first rain comes, that time due to that rain the soil become soft, little bit soft, and that was the correct time to sow the seeds. So what her father is sowing? He is sowing bajra seeds. So within some days the bajra seeds sprout and the seedlings are seen above the ground. So you can see in the picture, seedlings grow in the field, and this time they give fertilizers. They add fertilizer to the soil so that the plant will grow well, and they spray pesticides and insecticide to protect their fields from the pests and animals and from the birds. What they do? They have the scarecrow in their farm so that the birds will not destroy the crops. So rainwater is enough for bajra to grow vigorously. This is called as irrigation. Like irrigation means giving water to the plants. So rainwater is enough for bajra to grow vigorously. After a while, ears of bajra appears on every stalk. The grain forms and the ear grow fuller. As the grain grow, birds come in flock to eat the tender grain. So when these birds are coming, then scarecrows have to be set up. And slingshots. Slingshot is nothing but गुलेर. हम जब छोटे थे ये गेम हमारे भाई लोग खेलते थे, गुलेर. उसमें पत्थर रख के ना ऐसे झाड़ से कुछ फ्रूट, आम तोड़ना है, कैरी तोड़नी है, तो उसका गुलेर का वापर करते थे. And this farmer used to frighten the birds. So they use scarecrow and slingshot. When the ears of corns are full, it is harvest time. Harvest time is cutting the crops. That is, all the ears of bajra must be cut and gathered. Then follows threshing and winnowing. That is how we get the grain from the ears of bajra. Now we will recapitulate what we have learned now with the help of this picture. See this bullock pair you can see in the picture. The farmer, in older times people used to do with the bullock carts only, bullocks only. All the farm work has been done by bullocks. But nowadays tractor is there and new implements are there for taking out different tasks of farming. So farmers are attaching different tools to the tractor and they are doing. So summer would be the time of readying the fields. Different implements are attached to the tractor to carry out various farming tasks. The farmer plows the fields and then crushes the lump of soil. Finally, he levels the field to make it ready for sowing. The pre-monsoon showers would make the hot soil humid. This is the time farmers would sow bajra. Rainwater is enough for bajra to grow vigorously. Vigorously means fast. When the ears of corns are full, it is harvest time. That is, all the ears of bajra must be cut and gathered. Then follows threshing and winnowing. That is how we get the grain from the ears of bajra. You can see in the picture. The crops are cutting. The cutting of crops is called as harvesting. And after harvesting, threshing and winnowing is to be done. We'll see what you mean by threshing and winnowing in next video. So these are some different types of scarecrows, images of scarecrow which has been used by the farmers. So once again we'll see what are the steps involved in crop production, that is plowing, sowing, adding manures, irrigation, harvesting, and last one is storage. Storage we'll see in next video. Till the time, enjoy learning. Thank you. God bless you all.